Mission Control, is the launch pad construction complete? Roger. Rockets now secured to guide wire. We are currently obtaining the ignition sticks. Countdown will commence momentarily. Stand by.
Let's go.
Hey, Mom! Where are the matches? Oh, wait, here they are. Never mind!
Woody, great. Help me out of this thing. Shh. What? It's okay. Everything's under control. Woody, what are you doing?
Houston, all systems are go. Requesting permission to launch. Hey, how'd you get out here? Oh, well, you and I can have a cookout later. Houston, do we have permission to launch? Roger, permission granted. You're confirmed at T-minus 10 seconds. And counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Reach for the sky.
Huh?
This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
What?
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
It's busted.
Who you calling busted, Buster? That's right. I'm talking to you, Sid Phillips. We don't like being blown up, Sid. Or smashed, or ripped apart.
We?
That's right. Your toys. Find out, Sid. We toys can see everything.
So play nice. We get it! We get it!
Yes! The toys! The toys are alive! Nice toys!
What's wrong, Sid? Do you want to play with Sally?
Nice work, fellas. Good job. Coming out of the ground. What a touch. That was a stroke of genius.
Woody.
Thanks.
Everybody say bye, house!
Woody, the van!
We gotta roll things, guys!
This holiday, your ham's so good, you'll be getting Christmas cards from your taste buds. How'd you get tears of joy for less moolah? Walmart. Mom, you own this season.
Everything for the perfect Christmas meal for less. Walmart.